My name is Jeffrey Chen, and we're students from the Li-Ming Chinese Academy,
where we learn about Chinese language and culture.
But today, we're here to teach you about our Chinese New Year.
The New Year we're all used to celebrating on January 1st is marked by the solar calendar, which marks by the sun. The Chinese New Year is based on the lunar calendar, which follows the cycles of the moon.
The moon? Why the moon?
Well, the Chinese were once an agrarian society where planters and farmers used the phases of the moon to determine planting and harvesting times during the year.
Because the moon's path changes from year to year, the actual day of the Lunar New Year varies.
Then how do we determine the date each year?
Well, what stays the same is that Chinese New Year is always celebrated on the second new moon after the first day of winter.
The new moon is when there's no moon at all. It's just a dark circle in the sky. Because of the cyclical dating, Chinese New Year can fall anywhere between the end of January and the middle of February, and this year it fell on January 31st.
Chinese New Year, like Thanksgiving, puts emphasis on family relationships. Also, similar to the New Year you are all used to celebrating, Chinese New Year, families stay up late past midnight to celebrate the welcoming of the New Year. Also, like Hanukkah and Kwanzaa, Chinese New Year is celebrated for a total of 15 days.
So what else happens during the New Year? Are there any other differences between the celebrations?
The Chinese New Year is based off a series of animals called the zodiac. What are those animals again?
Oh, I know. Look, here they come. The first was the rat, the ox, the tiger, the rabbit, the dragon, the snake, the horse, the sheep, the monkey, the rooster, the dog, and the boar.
How were these animals chosen?
Well, according to legend, a long time ago, the Jade Emperor held a contest, which was a race, and the first 12 animals to cross the finish line would be in the zodiac and placed in the order of which they had finished.
Oh, I remember. The rat and the cat made a deal with the ox. The ox, being blind, needed the rat's help to navigate across the river. Towards the end of the river, the rat jumped off the ox's head, ran ahead, and won the race.
So what about the cat? Why isn't he in the zodiac?
Well, the rat was cruel and pushed the cat off the ox into the river, and the cat finished 13th place. And that's why, even today, the cat still chases the rat.
Oh,
Bench.
I see. Well, what's this year's sign? Do any of you guys know?
That's right. Horses are talented, charming, intelligent, and good with their hands.
You're welcome. Next, we're going to have Andrew, Catherine, and Stephen tell you more about the Chinese customs.